There's a reason Pavemaster Asphalt Paving and Repair Services is Tampa's leading paving company. Our trained experts always put your needs first. Whether you need expert asphalt installation, replacement, overlays, or repairs, we pour meticulous detail into each and every step. Need high-quality parking lot seal coating and maintenance? No problem. And with over 35 years of experience and a commitment to use only the most modern machinery and technology on the market, we'll make sure your project goes off without a hitch. Does your parking lot need repaired? Do you need striping services? From small driveways to major industrial parking lots, we'll help your property look and function great. With free estimates, services to meet any budget, and the best long-term maintenance programs on the market, why go anywhere else? Call the experts at Pavemaster Asphalt Paving and Repair Services today at 813-671-7300 or visit us online at PavemasterAsphaltPaving.com.